Hello students, let's solve examples. Evaluate double integration over d xy square dA where d is enclosed by x is equal to 0, comma x is equal to square root of 1 minus y square. So what is given? Let I is equal to double integral over d xy square dA. Now this region D is enclosed by x is equal to 0 means what? X is equal to 0 means y axis. Okay, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to square root of 1 minus y square. It means what? Taking square, x square is equal to 1 minus y square, that is x square plus y square is equal to 1. Means it is a circle with center 0 0 and radius 1, but it is enclosed by this y axis and this circle, and it is positive square root, so it is enclosed by this, so we will get this part only. Radius is 1, so this is what? 1 0. This point is radius 1, so it is 0 1. It is also what? It will be 0 minus 1. Okay, this is our given area. Now we can this is equation of this. X is equal to what? X is equal to square root of 1 minus y square. Now we can plot strip parallel to x axis or parallel to y axis. Let us take a strip parallel to y axis. Okay, now this I will be double integral xy square. We have taken strip parallel to x axis, so integrate with respect to x first, then y. X where is from? This strip touches to left hand side where x is equal to 0. Equation of y axis, x is equal to 0, and here it touches to this equation. So x is equal to square root of 1 minus y square. And y where is from? Now here you can see here y is 0, and here what is y? Here y will be what? Y is from lower to above, y axis. X axis is this, y axis is this. So y where is from? Here y is minus 1 to this point, that is y is equal to 1. So limits of y are minus 1 to 1. Now we will solve this equation. So let us solve it. It is minus 1 to 1. Integration with respect to x. Y square constant, x square by 2 with limits 0 to square root of 1 minus y square dy. That is, next apply limit which is equal to minus 1 to 1. Now put x is equal to this y square as it is. X square means its square, that will be 1 minus y square upon 2, minus, while putting x is equal to 0 we get 0, so into dy, which is equal to minus 1 to 1 y square minus y raised to 4 by 2 dy. So its integration is y cube by 3 into 2 6 minus y raised to 5 by 5 into 2 10 with limits minus 1 to 1. Now apply limit. It is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 minus after putting minus 1 it is minus 1 by 6 minus plus 1 by 10. That is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10. So it is what? 2 by 6 minus 2 by 10, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, that is 2 by 50. So our answer is 2 by 50. Let us solve another example. Find the volume of the solid that lies under the paraboloid z is equal to x square plus y square and above the region D in the xy plane bounded by the line y is equal to 2x and the parabola y is equal to x square. So what is given? We have to find volume of solid lies under this paraboloid and above this given region y is equal to 2x and y is equal to x square. So first we will find out the points of intersection of y is equal to 2x and y is equal to x square, and that points, now look here, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to x square, means 2x will same as x square, so x square minus 2x is equal to 0. We can take x common, so x is 0 or x is 2. When x is 0, y will be 0, and here when x is 2, y will be 4. So the points of intersection are 0, 0 and 2, 4. Okay, so we will write the points of intersection of the line y is equal to 2x and y is equal to x square are 0, 0 and 2, 4. These are points of intersection. Okay, if we plot the graph, now we know y is equal to x square is, and again one more thing, what we have to find out volume. Okay, so the required volume is V is equal to ZdA over region D. That is, now what is Z? Z can be represented, it is given Z is x square plus y square. Now we can take it as dy dx. Okay, for that we need graph here. Okay, graph of what? Y is equal to 2x and y is equal to x square. So graph is, now y is equal to x square is the, okay, this side, and y is equal to 2x is a straight line, y is equal to 2x, it is y is equal to x square, means this is our required region. Okay, this complete y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2x. Okay, in this boundary here is our required region over which we have to find out the volume. Now let us take a strip parallel to y axis. Okay, so dy dx. Now y, here limits of y are x square, lower strip touches lower to y is equal to x square, upper to y is equal to 2x, and x square is from. So we have find out points of intersection are 0, 0 and this point is 2, 4. So x square is from 0 to 2. Okay, and after that we will solve this integration. So is equal to 0 to 2, 0 to 2, then integration with respect to y, that will be x square y plus y cube by 3 with limits x square to 2x dx. Okay, then apply limits, which is equal to integration 0 to 2, after applying limit x square into 2x plus 2x cube upon 3 minus, put x square into x square will be x raised to 4 plus x square cube upon 3 into dx, which is equal to integration 0 to 2 2x cube plus 2 cube, that is 8. 8 upon 3 x cube minus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 upon 3 dx, which is equal to, here 2 plus 8 upon 3, that will be 14 upon 3 x cube minus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 upon 3 dx. Okay, integration from 0 to 2. Now integrate with respect to x. 14 upon 3 x raised to 4 upon 4 minus x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3 x raised to 7 upon 7 with limits 0 to 2. What is next step? Last step is apply limits. So after applying limits, what we get? So it will be 14 upon 12, 2 raised to 4, okay, 2 raised to 4 minus 1 upon 5, 2 raised to 5 minus 1 upon 21, 2 raised to 7 minus 0, okay, lower limit is 0. And after solving this, after taking LCM and all, you will get answer is 216 upon 35. Okay, check whether this answer is correct. Do this subtraction, you will get this answer. Next example is find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the planes x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2, x is equal to 2y, then x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. So the plane, we have to find out volume bounded by these 4 planes. Now this plane x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2 can be written as, we will write it in the form of z. So it can be written as z is equal to 2 minus x minus 2y. Okay, therefore required volume lies under this plane and what, and which planes? X is equal to 2y, x is equal to 0, and if we will put z is equal to 0 here, then x plus 2y is equal to 2. So we will write, therefore the required volume lies under the graph of the function, which function? Z is equal to 2 minus x minus 2y, and above the region bounded by which region? X plus 2y is equal to 2, because z is equal to 0, so we can write x plus 2y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2y, and x is equal to 0. Okay, now here the points of intersection of x plus 2y and x is equal to 2y is the points of intersection of x plus 2y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2y is which point? X plus 2y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2y. By substituting this value here, we get 4y is equal to 2, means y is equal to 1/2. Okay, now if y is equal to 1/2, then x will be 1 from both of this equation. So what is the point of intersection? It is 1, 1/2. So point of intersection is 1, 1/2. Therefore region D is region D can be written as set of all xy such that now x varies from what? 0 to 1. Okay, x 0 to point of intersection is 1. So x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from, now the equation of y is equal to, from this y is equal to x by 2, and from this y is equal to 1 half. What? From this what will be y? From this y will be, it is 2y is equal to 2 minus x. So y will be dividing by 2, 1 minus x by 2. Okay, so y varies from this x by 2 less equal y less equal 1 minus x by 2. Okay, we are taking equation here means 2 related to y. So we will integrate with respect to y first, and these are constant. So we integrate with respect to x after that. So therefore, and this is our z. Okay, 2 minus x minus 2y. The required volume is, therefore required volume V double integral z dA over region D. That is double integral. What is z? Z is 2 minus x minus 2y dy dx. Limits of y x by 2 to 1 minus x by 2, and limits of x are 0 to 1. Okay, and after this step we will solve this integral. So let us solve integration with respect to y first. So that will be 2y minus xy minus 2y square by 2 with limits x upon 2, 1 minus x by 2 dx. Now let us apply limits. So I am writing from here 0 to 1, 1 minus x by 2, 2 into 1 minus x by 2, minus x into 1 minus x by 2, minus 2 will get cancelled, y square means 1 minus x by 2 bracket square. This is upper limit minus lower limit x by 2, 2 into x by 2, minus x into x by 2, minus y square means x by 2 bracket square. Okay, into dx. Now let us simplify it, which is equal to integration from 0 to 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 2x by 2, that is x minus x plus x square by 2, minus x plus x square by 2, minus its expansion 1 minus 2 into first term into second, that will be x plus x square by 4. Okay, then minus x minus x square by 2 minus x square by 4, okay, dx, which is equal to 0 to 1. So we will write it as x square by 2. Now x square, what are terms? X square by 2, then here minus x square by 4, here plus x square by 2 plus x square by 4. So minus x square by 4 plus x square by 4 will get cancelled. 2x square by 2, that is x square. Okay, these terms are done. Then terms of x, minus x minus 2x minus minus plus x minus x, so minus 2x. Okay, terms of x over, then constants 2 minus 1, that is plus 1 dx. Integrate with respect to x now. X cube by 3 minus sorry 2x square by 2 plus x with limit 0 to 1. So let us apply limit 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 0. So our answer is 1 by 3. Required volume is 1 by 3. Now another type of examples is change the order of integration of given integral. So the next type is example, change the order of integration 0 to 1, 0 to y f of xy dx dy. Now we have to change its order, means in given equation, in given integral, dx is first we integrate with respect to x and then with respect to y. What we have to do? We have to change order of integration, means we have to integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. But accordingly, these end points, these limit points will change. Okay. Then how? Let us see it. What is given? Let I is equal to this given integral 0 to 1, 0 to y, f of xy dx dy. Okay. Now in this given integral, the region of integration is given as the region of integration d is bounded by what? Now it is x first, so x is equal to 0, comma x is equal to y, then y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so from this we will plot the graph. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, means x and y axis. Okay, x axis, y axis, y is equal to 1, suppose it is 1, then y is equal to 1 means this straight line, x is equal to y means this line. Okay, so this is our region bounded by, this is boundary. Okay, this middle part is our region D. Now we have to change order of integration, means what? Here is dx first, we have to change it, means we have to take dy first. So for taking dy first, we need to take the strip parallel to y axis. Okay, then only we can take, means we can change the order of integration. So, and here what are points of intersection? Here is 0, 0. Here points of intersection of x is equal to y and this line y is equal to 1. So what will be x? X is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y will be 1. So this point is 1, 1. Okay, this line is y is equal y is equal to, yes, y is equal to 1 and this line is x is equal to 1. So we will write, in order to change the order of integration draw strip parallel to y-axis. Therefore, limits of x. What will be limits of x now? And limits of y. Now we have taken strip parallel to y-axis. So limit of y will be curves. Okay, lower curve is y is equal to x. So x less equal. Here is y is equal to x, and upper limit of y will be this line, which is y is equal to 1. Okay, what we do for taking in means strip parallel to y. So we take the limits as the curves at which strip touches at the lower point and at the upper point. At lower curve this strip touches to y is equal to x, and here strip touches to y is equal to 1. And limits of x are for this region. For this region, limits of x are x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, the given integral can be written as given integral can be written as I is equal to. Now we will change f of xy as it is. In given example dx dy was there. Now we are changing dy dx, and accordingly how this limit changes, y varies from x to 1 and x varies from 0 to 1. Okay, up to this example was only change the order of integration, so we will stop here. So similar to this, next example is change the order of integration 0 to 2, x square to 4, f of xy dy dx. So it is dy dx, we have to change dx dy, so accordingly this limit will change. So how? Let us find out. Let I is equal to this given integral. In this integral, from this, the region of integration is bounded by what? Y is equal to, this is dy first, so y is equal to x square, comma, y is equal to 4, then x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay, so we will plot the graph, and in that we will, now here there is y first, we have to take x first, so we will plot the strip parallel to x axis in that graph. Okay, so let us plot the graph. X is equal, this is x axis, y axis. X is equal to 0 means this y axis. X is equal to 2, let us take 2 here. X is equal to 2 means this is x is equal to 2, this is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. So let us take it as a 2, it is as a 4, 2, 4. Okay, so here is 2, 4. X is equal to 0, this line, x is equal to 2, this line, y is equal to 4, this is 4, so y is equal to 4, this line y is equal to 4, and y is equal to x square. Now y is equal to x square and x is equal to 2. What will be after solving it? We get y is equal to 4. When y is equal to 4, x will be 2. Okay, so the points of intersection are 2 and 4, means this point is 2 and 4, means y is equal to x square, this passes through, this is a parabola, passes through this line. Okay, now what is the D, region D? Region D is, here already we have taken x2, so this point is there. Okay, so what is our region D? Region D is bounded by this is our region D. Now we have to change the order of integration. Here is dy first, we have to take dx first, means we need to take the strip parallel to x axis. Okay, to take strip parallel to x axis, so we will write, in order to change order of integration, we draw strip parallel to x axis. Therefore limits of x, limits of y. Now limits of x, strip parallel to x axis, this strip touches to left hand side to which curve? This curve is y is equal to 0, so 0 less equal x, and here this strip touches to this parabola. Equation of this parabola is y is equal to x square, so what will be x? X will be root y. Okay, so less equal root y, and here y, the constant y, which are constant? Y changes from 0 to y is equal to, this is 4, y changes from 0 to 4. Okay, therefore the given integral can be written as, therefore how we write it? Double integration f of xy what dx dy. In given dy dx for the dx dy, and how the limit changes? X varies from 0 to root y and y varies from 0 to 4. Okay, so let's stop here. In next lecture we will solve some more example. Before that, take one example for homework. So change the order of integration of what 0 to pi by 2, 0 to cos x, f of xy, dy dx. We have to change its order, means we have to integrate with respect to x, then with respect to y. So first we plot the graph. What are region? D is bounded by what? Y is equal to 0, y is equal to cos x, then x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so how its graph look like? X is equal to 0 means y axis, y is equal to 0 means x axis. Suppose it is pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2 means this line, y is equal to cos x. You know that cos of pi by 2 is 0. Okay, cos 0 1. So the graph will be like this. Okay, means this region is our given region of integration, and in given example what is first? Dy is first and then dx. Now we have to reverse this, means we have to integrate with respect to x first, so we will take a strip parallel to x axis. Okay, so that will be double integration of f of xy, x first, dx dy. Now limits of x. What is equation of x here? This strip touches to left hand side. Here x is 0. So x is 0. What is x here? It is what? This curve is y is equal to cos x. Means x is equal to what? It will be cos inverse y. What is y? Limits of y changes from y is equal to 0. Okay. Y is equal to 0 to what? Y is equal to 0 to here. Here y is 1. So y is equal to 0 to 1. Okay. This will be your answer. That after changing order of integration you can write integral like this. Okay, solve this example. Let's stop here. Thank you.